How to connect ShipStation to Shopify. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you through the process of connecting ShipStation to your Shopify store. This integration will streamline your shipping operations, making it easier to manage orders and track shipments. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the ShipStation website. If you don't have an account, click on sign up to create a new one, and if you already have one, click log in and enter your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the ShipStation dashboard. Click on Settings in the left-hand sidebar to open the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, find and click on Sell-in Channels. Click on Connect a Store or Marketplace. This will open a list of available integrations. Look for Shopify in the list and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your Shopify store URL. This URL is typically in the format of yourstorename.myshopify.com. Click Connect and ShipStation will redirect you to Shopify's login page. Log in to Shopify with your store's admin credentials if you aren't already logged in, and review the permissions request from ShipStation and click Install App to grant access. Return to ShipStation after the authorization is complete. Set up your integration settings. This includes configuring shipping carriers, setting up shipping methods, and adjusting order import preferences. Save your settings to apply the changes. Now, navigate to the Orders tab in ShipStation. Select the orders you want to import and follow the prompts to complete the import process. After importing orders, you can begin managing shipments, so select orders to fulfill, choose shipping options, and print shipping labels as needed. You can use ShipStation's tracking features to keep an eye on delivery progress. ShipStation will automatically sync shipping information back to Shopify, and this will ensure that your Shopify store reflects accurate shipping updates. You can double check the sync settings to confirm that everything is correctly configured. And there you have it. Your ShipStation and Shopify integration is now set up. This connection will help you manage orders and shipments more efficiently. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.